Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Mattapoisett Bogs, where we're turning old cranberry bogs into vibrant wetland wonderland. This amazing transformation is a team effort between Buzzards Bay Coalition and Luciano's Excavation, and we're super excited to show you just what we've been up to. First, let's take a look at where we started. These cranberry bogs were once a bustling agricultural hub, but over time, they were abandoned and left in need of some serious TLC. Fast forward, and you'll see our crew in action, reshaping the land and removing old structures. This is where the magic begins. By restoring the natural flow of water and planting native vegetation, we're setting the stage for a thriving wetland ecosystem. One of the coolest parts of this project, the new walking trails and bridges. These aren't just for show. They help water move naturally through the site and give you a perfect spot to enjoy the beauty of nature up close. Check this out. Restoring the natural water flow is key to bringing the wetland back to life. Our team has been hard at work installing drainage points to make sure everything flows just right, creating the perfect habitat for a variety of wildlife. Just take a look at these before and after shots. The transformation is incredible. While vegetation is still growing in, you can already see the difference. These native plants are just starting to take root, and it's only going to get greener from here. And it's not just about plants. This restored wetland will be a haven for birds, amphibians, and insects. We're creating a thriving habitat that supports biodiversity and keeps the ecosystem in balance. But wait, there's more. These walking trails and bridges aren't just for the wildlife, they're for you too. Imagine taking a stroll here, enjoying the peaceful scenery, and learning about the importance of wetlands. It's a win-win for nature and the community. Big shout out to Buzzards Bay Coalition for leading this project. Their vision and expertise, combined with our excavation skills, are making the transformation possible. It's teamwork at its finest. So there you have it. The Mattapoisett Bogs are on their way to becoming a lush, green paradise. We're thrilled with the progress and can't wait to see how this wetland continues to grow and flourish. Thanks for tuning in and stay with us for more updates on this amazing journey.